Welcome to Efficiency Hunters, where we help homeowners discover ways to save energy and money. Today, our home energy advisor, Alexis, is showing Sarah how little changes can add up to big savings in her older home.
Sarah's a new homeowner with big energy-saving goals and a not-so-big budget. Are you ready to dive into some easy, low, and no-cost tips to lower your energy bill?
Absolutely.
This first one is so easy. Depending on the season, just turn your thermostat up or down.
That's it? What temperature do you recommend?
In the summer, aim for between 75 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. In the winter, try 68 or lower. You can also install an Energy Star programmable thermostat to make staying on top of temperature control easier than ever. Now in the summer, you want it to spin counterclockwise, then you switch to clockwise in the fall. And since fans are cooling people and not rooms, you really want to turn it off when you leave so you're not wasting energy. In the summer, you can keep your home cooler by keeping your curtains closed. And in the winter, you can let in a little extra warmth by leaving the curtains open on the south side of your home.
Oh, okay.
See these floor vents? When they're covered by rugs or furniture, your HVAC system has to work harder. By just removing the obstruction from your vents, you can increase airflow, improve comfort, and lower your utility bill. And one last quick tip. If you have a fireplace, make sure you keep the damper closed when it's not in use. And that way you keep the outside air, well, out.
Easy enough.
Simple living room fixes conquered. Catch all the episodes of Efficiency Hunters for more ways to lower your energy bill and be more energy efficient. Till next time.